Welcome, dreamers and seekers of a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Have you ever found yourself gazing at the stars, yearning to turn your wildest dreams into reality? Do you long to unlock the hidden power of desire and manifest a life truly worth living? If you answered yes, then you are about to embark on an incredible journey with us. In this remarkable video, we will delve into the mystical realms of spiritual alchemy, the ancient practice that holds the key to transforming your dreams into tangible reality. Get ready to unlock the secrets that lie within as we explore the profound philosophies of visionaries like Thomas Troyard and the iconic Steve Jobs. During our exploration, we'll uncover the immense power of imagination and acceptance. You'll discover how harnessing the boundless potential of your mind fuels the manifestation of your deepest desires. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Passion and success are two pillars of the entrepreneurial spirit, igniting the flames that fuel your dreams. We'll discuss the significance of cultivating unwavering passion and how it intertwines with the pursuit of success. Prepare to unleash your entrepreneurial prowess and embrace a life driven by purpose and fulfillment. Together, we will tap into the universal principles that guide manifestation, the law of assumption and the law of attraction. Discover how these potent forces shape your reality and learn how to align them with your desired outcomes. As we delve into the art of visualization and the power of affirmations, you'll gain invaluable techniques to supercharge your manifestation journey. By the end of this captivating video, you will wield the tools and knowledge needed to unlock the hidden power of desire and manifest the life of your dreams. You'll emerge with a newfound understanding of the spiritual alchemy process, the mystical bridge that transforms dreams into triumphant reality. So buckle up and prepare to explore the depths of your own potential. Get ready to summon the courage and determination to turn your dreams into vivid, breathtaking reality. The time has come to unleash your hidden power of desire and create a life that exceeds your wildest imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on personal growth and manifestation. Together, we will embark on a remarkable journey of self-discovery and transformation. The life of your dreams awaits. Let's get started. The philosophies of Thomas Troyard and Steve Jobs have inspired many to unlock the hidden power of desire. Troyard believed that desire is the moving principle of the universe and the innermost center of all life, emphasizing that our desires are sacred. The law of sequence between desire and its fulfillment teaches us the importance of being aware of our individual desires. Steve Jobs' message to have the courage to follow your heart and intuition emphasizes the need to trust oneself to discover true desires. Personal reflection is essential to discern between true desires and beliefs that distort them, helping us understand what we truly want in life. The knowledge from the 7 stages of spiritual alchemy provides clarity on how desires can come full circle through acceptance as already fulfilled or achieved in reality. This process involves transforming energy from one form to another through manifestation, healing, growth, spirituality, and more. Visualization techniques combined with affirmations based on Neville Goddard's law of assumption or law of attraction allow for increased understanding within ourselves and in the physical world around us. The spiritual alchemy process is a journey of acceptance and reconciliation. It unlocks the hidden power of desire and explores how it can transform into reality. This process is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, who believed that our minds are not our enemies, but are pure like children born into this world. Our thoughts create beliefs that automatically manifest, so we must be mindful of what we think to create positive changes in our lives. Desire and fulfillment are interconnected, allowing us to experience a flow in life while acknowledging both the journey and the destination. The power within us takes care of all necessary steps in the spiritual alchemy process, allowing them to occur naturally. By surrendering our need for control and releasing conflicts created by certain beliefs or stories, we can acknowledge the truth of our desire already being fulfilled within us. This allows inner reconciliation between desire and fulfillment to take place, leading to desired outcomes comfortably and without emotional turmoil. Every step, whether consciously noticed or not, is guided by our own inner flame light. By following this guidance, we experience clear synchronicity and gain a deeper understanding of the unseen matters that affect the end results brought forth by our authentic desires. Spiritual alchemy process encompasses mind purification and reconciliation by releasing unnecessary identifications with beliefs that result in emotional turmoil. Financial prosperity and relationship prosperity are not mutually exclusive, but instead an expression of a broader concept of overall prosperity. At its core, spiritual alchemy is about transformation, both within mind and outside theater. The ancient Egyptians believed that mind and speech were two gifts bestowed upon humanity to be cherished through love as they make up the art of living our lives here on earth. To understand this process better, let's break it down into its 4 stages: calcination, dissolution, separation, purification, and coagulation. Calcination symbolizes chaos being respected, hidden content being stimulated when driven by desire, accessing invisible counsel for safe travel in this world. It is the first stage in the spiritual alchemy process. Transformations occur from within before they appear externally, so whatever we choose as our muse can motivate us towards achieving our goals in life. For example, buying a Lamborghini comfortably with your own money? Motorcycle riding embodies a spiritual way of life where spirit meets matter together harmoniously as one unit. Especially while entering into a flow state with another rider as partners who take care of each other, respecting each other's representation out there on the road or trails. Ultimately, uncovering your true potential starts with going within yourself to know what you truly desire without allowing external opinions to dictate how you should live your life. Know thyself or live freely. Spirituality is an essential part of life that can unlock the hidden power of desire. Understanding and utilizing the process of spiritual alchemy enables us to tap into our imaginations and manifest our desires. This process involves cultivating a vision, developing an unbiased observer perspective, understanding imagination as one's eternal body. Where creation is initiated, acknowledging imaginal attributes through self-talk or embodiment practices, fermentation to remove veils of illusion, and distillations that integrate inner realizations into emotions and physical bodies. This flow-based journey towards realization of one's vision with no unnecessary suffering caused by identifications of separation-based beliefs on desire is made possible. Lastly, coagulation amplifies the degree of integration between mind, emotion, and body, enabling the conscious and loving realization of desired vision beliefs with a sense of ease rather than lack of faith or trust. And with that, my fellow dreamers, we reach the culmination of this incredible journey. As we come to the end of this video, remember that understanding the spiritual alchemy process is the key to unlocking the hidden power of desire and manifesting the life of our dreams. Yet our journey towards manifestation is not without its challenges. Embracing resistance as a valuable learning opportunity allows us to grow, adapt, and overcome any obstacles that come our way. Through perseverance and a dedication to personal growth, we can unlock the door to our fullest potential. Passion, my friends, is the spark that propels us forward on our entrepreneurial journeys. By cultivating unwavering passion in our pursuits, we infuse every action with purpose. Let us accept ourselves fully and believe in the power of our visions. Embrace your unique gifts and share them with the world. Stay tuned for more insightful and transformative videos that will ignite your passion, spark your creativity, and guide you towards the life you've always envisioned. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our inspiring content. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful exploration of the spiritual alchemy process. May you continue to trust your desires, harness the power of visualization and affirmations, and embrace your own path to manifestation.